Look at this World Cup product video. Stadium atmosphere, match day energy, a product placed right inside the moment. It looks like something a brand would pay an agency a lot of money to produce. But I just created with a single image and VmakeLabs. And that is the opportunity right now. VmakeLabs plus the World Cup equals money. In this video, I'll show you exactly you can create amazing World Cup related videos using VmakeLabs. Let's dive in. Okay, this is VmakeLabs. You will find the link in the description. Once you are logged in, you will find the prompt box. Here you can enter your idea and assets to create the content. But the most interesting thing about VmakeLabs is these creative templates. Here you can notice a ton of viral video creative templates. This allows you to create viral content more easily than ever. Another interesting fact is that VmakeLabs updates creative templates with the latest social trends. As fast as daily, you aren't chasing the trend, you're already in it. Right now, the World Cup templates are front and center. You've got high-end stadium atmospheres, chaotic match day energy, and viewing party scenes ready to go. Okay, let's create our first video. For this demo, we're using a drink product image. And to create the video, I am selecting this World Cup scene. Once you select the template, you can see that. Now it's asking for the product photo and the avatar. I am uploading my product photo. Once the product photo is uploaded, you can change the avatar. I will use my own avatar. Once the avatar is uploaded, you can customize the prompt. This is where VmakeLabs gives you the choice, and it matters for both brands and creators. If you're a brand or just want to move fast, don't write anything. The template already has a built-in prompt from the VmakeLabs team. It runs the full workflow automatically. Upload your product image and hit generate. Done. Your drink is already in a World Cup scene. If you're a creator who wants to add a creative angle, type in the prompt box. Want a night match atmosphere? A specific crowd energy? A branded color tone for your client? You direct it. The model responds to everything you put in. You have full control over every element in the scene. VMake doesn't lock you into one way of working, fast and simple or creative and customized. You decide. Once you are set, hit the generate button. And here it is. Now we are in the VmakeLabs canvas. And the agent already taken charge. First, it will analyze the uploaded images to determine which is the person image and which is the product image. Once done, it will start creating the video according to the prompt and reference video. You can see that the video is generating, and here it is. The video is ready.
Great atmosphere in the stands. You can feel the tension here today. Hang on, this fan is getting up. This fan is coming down here. No, surely not. The fan is on the pitch. The shot is away. Oh my word, it's in. What a strike. And she's got that Voltac energy with her.
Look at what just happened. A plain drink photo is now inside a World Cup viewing scene. The kind of content brands are paying agencies thousands to produce. You just did it in 3 minutes. For brands, this is match day content ready to post on your own channels, run as an ad, or send to your distributor. For creators, this is a deliverable you can charge a client for or post on your own account to build your niche. No studio, no models, no equipment, no waiting. Now, if you think there is anything wrong with the video, you can always modify it. Although it looks perfect to me, let's modify the video a bit. I am selecting the video clip. Now, I will enter the prompt. I am typing, make the video as she drinks the energy drinks, and then runs onto the pitch, kicks the ball, scores a goal, and then celebrates with the product. After entering the prompt, you can upload assets to add the video. Next, here you can select the video models. You will find some image models also. I will suggest to choose either Kling or Seedance 2.0. After selecting the model, you can add preferences like brand name, audience, and avatar. Once done, you can set the aspect ratio. This time, I will go with 16:9 video. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at this video. The story of the video completely changed, and the quality is also amazing. So, now not only can you generate viral videos, but also edit them inside VmakeLabs. Forget basic VFX tools that just throw a cheesy filter over your asset. VmakeLabs uses massive AI foundational models to completely recreate viral social formats around your image. Okay, now let's create another video. This time, I am selecting this video. Once the template is selected, we have to upload the product image. After uploading the product image, you can customize the prompt. Once done, hit the generate button. Now before the previous one, the agent will analyze the image and start creating the video. But this time, it creates a reference image first, and then starts the video generation. And here it is. The video is ready.
I think the team played really well today. We stuck to the game plan and
Hey, not on camera.
yeah, we're looking forward to the next one.
This is really cool. Doesn't look like forced ads at all. Instead of that, it looks like an accidental product placement. This is perfect for subtle ads. Now you can modify the video if you want. Let's say I want to change the character to one of my characters. I am selecting the video clip and then asking to change the character. Now, I have to upload my character image. Once the character is uploaded, hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready.
A gente sinal recebeu uma tilha bandeira, mas tinha até início a token ganhou lá radar tá ok.
You can see that the character has been replaced successfully. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can export to your device by clicking here. So now you can create viral product videos using VmakeLabs and the trending World Cup creative templates. Not only World Cup videos, but you can also create any kind of video here. And look, if you're out moving around and need to push out content directly from your phone, their mobile app workflow is just as seamless. Just open the VmakeLabs app, head to Creative Templates, tap Import to upload your product image, choose whether to use the built-in trend prompt or add your own twist, hit Generate, preview it, and save it straight to your camera roll. If you want to maximize your reach, you need to understand how to apply this practically. If you're a brand, selling a drink, a snack, anything, drop it into a World Cup viewing party scene and ride the match day traffic. If you're a creator, this is fast output you can turn into more clients, more posts, and more income. Spin up 5 World Cup videos in the time it used to take to make one. The World Cup window is open right now, and it won't stay open forever. VmakeLabs World Cup templates are the shortcut to get your product inside it before the moment's gone. Links in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.